This is the Go Party 6 dual 6.5-inch battery-powered portable Bluetooth speaker with multiple party LEDs, 2 microphone inputs, and TWS capabilities. This super powerful and portable speaker is perfect for house parties, barbecues, DJs, for tailgating, camping, conference events, karaoke, and much more. The unit comes in a durable ABS cabinet with party LEDs on either side, a trolley/carry handle, and wheels for increased portability. It also has a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 8.5 hours and makes it completely portable in a wireless speaker. The Go Party 6 is a dual 6.5-inch party speaker that goes extremely loud but still has a great balanced sound. It has 2 6.5-inch drivers that handle both the low end and the mid-range, and 2 horn tweeters to deliver crystal clear high frequencies. And if you want to go really crazy with the sound, you can buy 2 of these beasts and connect them together through true wireless stereo, which will allow you to play music through 2 Go Party 6 wirelessly and really fill a big space. But you're probably wondering what the speaker can do, so let's go to Perry, who has a demo set up for us.
What's up, guys? So here I have the Go Party 6 all set up and ready to go. I can plug my microphone into mic 1 or mic 2, adjust the volume with these buttons here, and if I talk into the microphone, you should be able to hear my voice coming out of the speaker. We can also give our voice an echo effect if we use these buttons here. Check 1, and now we have some echo. We also have multiple ways of playing music, including the Bluetooth feature, so I can connect my smartphone or tablet to the speaker and play some music. So let's hear how it sounds. This also makes for a great karaoke setup since we can connect 2 microphones and our smartphone or tablet, go into the YouTube app to look for any karaoke version of a song, and have the music playing out of our speaker while we sing along to the lyrics. The last thing I want to show you guys is the TWS feature that allows us to listen to our speakers in stereo. So I can hold down the previous button on one speaker, TWS paired. And when you hear that, you'll know that both speakers are paired together. So now I can pair my smartphone to the Go Party 6 and have the music coming out of both speakers. So let's hear how they sound.
As you just saw in the demo, this unit is an absolute party machine. The party LEDs can be turned on and off by holding this LED button on the top of the unit, and it also features 7 different LED modes with multiple different colors. Also on top of the unit, there's play, pause, skip, or go back buttons as well. There's a giant master volume knob to control the overall volume of the unit, and then 4 smaller volume buttons that control the microphone volumes, the microphone echo, and then treble and bass knobs to fine-tune the sound of everything coming through the speakers. The unit also features USB and TF card inputs, 2 1/4-inch microphone inputs, and a 3.5mm aux input, as well as a 3.5mm line output, so that you can send the signal forward to another powered speaker or subwoofer. You can also use this to link to another Go Party 6 if you have 2 of them, or any other speaker that features an aux input. The Go Party 6 is going to be useful for a wide variety of applications, whether you're using it for camping, tailgating, karaoke, conference events, backyard barbecues, house parties, or more. If you're looking for a powerful and portable Bluetooth speaker with dual 6.5-inch speakers, multiple party LEDs, and TWS capabilities, look no further than the Go Party 6 from Rockville.